The artificial intelligence economy is accelerating toward $1 trillion, yet its raw power remains hoarded behind the sterile glass of centralized data centers. A handful of hyperscalers control the global supply, dictating terms, restricting access, and choking innovation through artificial scarcity and skyrocketing costs. But while these monopolies frantically pour billions into more concrete and cooling towers, the hardware required to run the future has already been built. Right now, 75% of the world's existing hardware sits completely idle, ignored by the very cloud providers who claim there isn't enough supply. This is an invisible, scattered arsenal of dormant power, an untapped computational resource waiting to be awakened without laying a single new brick. We can reach into the shadows and wake these machines up, forging that raw iron into a new kind of digital fabric. This unified fabric is already live, pulsing right now across a sprawling mesh of over 570 active integrations. It bridges previously isolated blockchains, decentralized protocols, and real-world applications into a single, high-performance execution layer. Beneath that software architecture, the mesh is powered by a growing network of human-owned hardware. This is a zero-friction system where anyone can transform their spare laptop or IoT device into an active node in seconds. It is a regenerative, fiat-first economy that converts global hardware into a stable, self-sustaining asset for everyday participants. Every participant is protected by an unyielding governance shield, ensuring individual sovereignty remains immune to centralized capture. What begins as an empowered individual is becoming an unstoppable, unified force. The massive, centralized monoliths now face a planetary rival they were never designed to fight: Wnode. The infrastructure is built, the mesh is live, and the era of people-owned AI compute has arrived. Access the foundational materials, examine the mesh, and claim your position now, before the final activation sequence ignites.